What's up, mga sirs? Heart, heart!
Mga mamsers, do you know anything about the term freezing? Freezing is a phase change at which liquids turn into a solid. It also means that being at or below the temperature at which liquids freeze or solidify.
Freezing is a phase change. To be more specific, it's the phase change in which liquid turns to solid. The opposite of such change is melting. Freezing happens in which the atoms or molecules of a certain matter decreases energy, moves lesser and slower, becomes more ordered and fixed in shape. So it's also worth mentioning that any matter can have its two phases be there at the exact same time. For example, water or H2O can be ice and water like slush, for example, be there at the exact same time when it is at 0 degrees Celsius or when it is in its freezing point.
Hey, we're better than Dice and Joe.
Hey, that's my camera!
No, it's not. When water freezes, it turns from the liquid state to the solid state. As a liquid, the molecules are constantly in motion, bumping and jostling into each other. Bumping and jostling into each other, never staying in one place for long. But as a solid, while it's freezing, the molecules are slowly settling into place, lining up in regular formations you see as crystals. Wait, did you know ice is a mineral? Did you know that?
Yeah, no!
Oh my God. For pure water, the temperature must drop to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius for this to happen. For any substance, the temperature at which freezing occurs depends on forces that makes its molecules stick together. It's not ice anymore. This is what you call a liquid.
As you can see, the water turns from liquid to solid, which is called freezing. The water froze because it has reached its freezing temperature, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. When water is cold, it expands like one would expect until it reaches the temperature of 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey, Rainian! Hi, Rainian! Saan tayo papunta?
Nandyan ba sila, Dari?
Andun pa si Daj at Joe. Ano ba?
Ba't ba sila nandito?
Ba't kayo nandito?
Give me back my camera!
This isn't your camera. This is our camera. Oh, diba? You're not allowed. Ha? Diba? Okay.
Hi, can each of you give a recap of each of your parts?
Sure.
But first, let's ask Ma'am if they can go inside. Ma'am, pwede po ba?
Okay, so freezing is a phase change at which liquid turns into a solid.
Freezing happens in a certain point of temperature in which the molecules or atoms of a matter becomes more ordered and fixed in shape.
When water freezes, its molecules slowly settle into place, lining up in regular formations you see as crystals. For pure water, the temperature must drop to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius for this to happen.
When water is cold, it expands like one would expect until it reaches a temperature of 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches its freezing temperature, which is 32 degrees Celsius.
Thank you!